everyone, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and today I'm going to be making a Christmas penguin cake. So it's December, and I definitely wanted to do a holiday themed cake, and I love penguins and I love Christmas, so I decided to combine the two, and I'm going to make a really cute Christmas themed penguin cake today. So I already have my frosted ready to go cake, and under here I have 3 6-inch layers topped with a dome, and then I covered it with black buttercream using my black buttercream frosting. So this is ready to go, and all I need to do is put all the different fondant details on our cake. So to get started, I'm going to be using my marshmallow fondant to make my penguin's body, and for all the pieces I did cut out the templates ahead of time. You don't have to, I just find that it's helpful to me so that I get the right sizing. Go ahead and apply this body to the cake just because this is going to give kind of like the guide for the entire rest of the cake, so I do want to place it so I can make sure that it looks right. So I'm just using some Wilton dab and hold. This will stick fondant to fondant or fondant to crusted buttercream, which this is crusted over. So the next piece that I'm going to work on is our penguin's beak, and so I'm just using some orange fondant for this, and this is just my marshmallow fondant that I dyed using Wilton orange. So I'm going to go ahead and give our penguin a nice smile here. And I'm just using a fondant dowel tool here, and I'm just gonna lightly I'm gonna do this for his nose. So I'm just using the fondant ball tool. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this really like almost in the middle of my cake. So using dab and hold again. So next I'm going to use some black fondant to make our penguin's eyes, and these are actually going to be pretty small, so I'm going to use actually a frosting tip for these. So just a large round frosting tip, or actually it's more like a medium size. So we'll see if I like this size here. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and give our penguin some feet. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make my penguin a scarf. And so for this I'm using red fondant, and I kind of have it already in a long shape because I want to just roll this and try to get the scarf all the way around our penguin's body. see, I ended up just doing the scarf like halfway around the penguin. That's gonna be a lot easier. And I'm gonna add some ends of the scarf as well. And we'll go ahead and add a little bit of fringe on the ends of our scarf. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some flippers. So I'm just going to use some dab and hold to adhere these, and I'm not going to completely stick these to the sides. Like, I kind of want to make them stick out a little bit. So I'm going to add a little bit of pink to our penguin's cheeks just to add a little bit of color. So for this, I'm just using a little bit of powdered pink food coloring, and a little bit goes a long way, so I would definitely suggest starting with just a little bit to see how you like it. And the last thing I want to do is I want to pipe a border along the bottom just to clean this up a little bit. So I'm just using my Wilton 1M tip to just go around. Alright, so my penguin cake is done. He has a super cute scarf and he is definitely ready for Christmas, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.